Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Pratiksha Agarwal and this is part 3 of seating arrangement. Students, today I will be solving the question which came in SBI exam and will teach you important tips and tricks to solve this question very easily and in minimum time. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. So this is the reference question, students. As I've told you earlier that we'll extract information from this and then we'll answer the question. So let's see what is given here. A certain number of persons are sitting in a row facing to the north. So let's highlight the direction north here. For those who don't know why I am highlighting the direction, do watch the previous video on seating arrangement. I'll provide the link in the description. Let's proceed. There is one person sitting between N and M, and one of them sits at the extreme end of the row. From one of them who sits at the extreme end of the row means either N or M sits at the extreme end of the row, and that end can be either left end or right end. So there are four possibilities. Let's draw our first four lines, then I'll show you the four possibilities. Okay, so in the first case, suppose N is sitting at the extreme left end and one person is there between N and M. In the second case, M is at the extreme left end and one person between M and N. In the third case, N is at the extreme right end and one person is here between N and M. And in the fourth case, M is at the extreme right and one person between M and N. Okay, let's proceed. There are three persons sitting between N and C. Okay, three persons are between N and C. So see, in case number 1 already two people are sitting. So we will place one more people and then C. Now going to the case number 2, three persons, then C. In case number 3, see, already two people are sitting here to the left of N. So we will place one more person and then C. And in the fourth case, we'll place three person and after three person we'll place C. I hope this much is clear to everyone. L sits second to the left of C. So see, in first case, the second to the left of C, M has already occupied that position. So means this arrangement is wrong. In case number 2, L is second to the left of C means L will occupy this position. Okay, in case number 3, L is second to the left of C means here this side L will come. Okay, and similarly we'll place L in case number 4, that we have placed L second to the left of C. There are six persons sitting between C and B. Who sits third from one of the end? Here who means B. B sits third from one of the end. So B can sit third either from the left end or from the right end. So since case number 1 is wrong, so we are not going to consider this. Now let's coming to case number 2. See, if we consider from the left hand we cannot place B here because from the left hand the third position is already occupied by N. So we'll place B third from the right hand in case number 2. And between C and B there are 6 people. So we have also placed 6 people here. And now coming to case number 3, B cannot occupy the third position from the right because M has occupied that position. So we'll place B from the left hand, third from the left hand. So we have placed B and there are 6 people between B and C. So C, 6 people are there between B and C. And same thing we are going to do in case number 4 because here also third from the right and N has occupied that position. So we will place B third from the left hand. And 6 people between B and C. 2 people were already here and we have placed 4 more people. So 6 people between B and C. I hope this much is clear to everyone. B sits second to the left of R who does not sit at the extreme end. Here R does not sit at the extreme end and B sits second to the left of R. So in case number 2, if B sits second to the left of R means R has to be placed here at the extreme right position, and since in the question it is given here that R does not sit at the extreme end, means case number 2 is also wrong. Okay. Now coming to case number 3, B is second to the left of R, means R should be placed here at this position. See, I have placed here R, and B is second to the left of R. Okay, whether we say B is second to the left of R, or we can say R is second to the right of B. See here, R is second to the right of B. Both are same thing. Okay, and same thing we are going to do in case number 4. We'll place R here at this position. Okay, B is second to the left of R in case number 4. There are 4 persons sit between O and N. Between O and N, there are 4 people. So now considering case number 3 and 4 only, because 1 and 2 are wrong. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So O will come here between L and C. So we'll place O here at this position. And coming to case number 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again L is here, sorry, O is here between L and C. So we'll place O here at this position. More than 3 persons sit between M and O, means between M and O there should be more than 3 people. Now in case number 3 you can see only 2 people are here, so this is also wrong. And in case number 4 you can see here more than 3 people are there between M and O. Let's see the last line. There are 2 persons sit between K and R. Okay, since first 3 cases are wrong, so we'll consider only the fourth one. See, to the right of R, L is here. L is here because between K and R there should be 4 persons. Oh, sorry, 2 people, and between R and L also there are 2 people. So we cannot place K to the right of R. Let's see to the left of R. See, to the left of R there is a vacant place here. I am showing this by the arrow. We'll place K here. Okay, because there are 2 people between K and R. You can see there are 2 people between K and R. So, and this question came in SBI. So, students, we got our arrangement. This is, which is our case number 4. Okay. And based on this information, now we are going to answer the question. Let's see the very first question. How many persons are sitting in a row? So, this is the arrangement. Let's count how many people are sitting. So there are 16 people who are sitting in a row. So our answer is option number E. Let's check. See, we got the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. How many persons sit between R and C? This is the arrangement. Now let me highlight R and C for you students. This is R and this is C. Let's check how many people are there between R and C. So between R and C, you can see clearly that there are 4 people. So our answer is option number B, which is 4. Let's check. We got the correct answer again. Let's move on to the next question. What is the position of K with respect to B? This is the arrangement. Now position of K with respect to B. With respect to B, you can see that K is to the immediate left of B. Yes, let me draw the arrow also for you guys. That see, you can see here that K is to the immediate left of B. So our answer for this question should be option number C, immediate left. Let's check. See, we got the correct answer again. So students, I hope this video is helpful for you. That's all for today, students. If you have any doubt in any part of the question, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.